Oh, Chris. Oh, yeah, how they got you on camera, dog. Come on. You look good. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, this YouTube shit right here, man. Oh, shit. You know what, dog? You got the fully modern violent. Woo! Boy, you getting too much skin. Come on, man. What you doing over there? Oh, she was calling that $76 in that. Well, woo! Look away. Like when they glisten and stuff.